Hello, today we're going to be talking about what a fan curve does for cooling. I'm Steve, this is TQA Weekly. Here's a typical scenario. You are gaming on your computer and you enter into a really intense firefight in an FPS, and then your fans kick in, pouring tons of heat into your room. Your computer does not skip a beat, but the fans are getting louder and louder. What is going on? Well, each processor in your computer is filled with transistors. When your processor is given information and instructions, these transistors are flooded with electrons that are guided on a path of open and closed transistor gates. The more instructions are sent to your processor, the more electrons will be present, and therefore the more heat will be created. It's an oversimplification, but that is what's happening. The temperature sensors reacts to the increase in heat by expanding, and this change in electrical characteristics indicates to your computer that there is an increase in heat. The computer uses software with a table that tells it how fast to spin each fan in response to localized temperature increases. This table is known as a fan curve. The speed of each fan correlates to really small changes in power for each fan. Essentially, the more power is applied to the fan, the faster it will spin. The airflow forces cooler air to pass over each heatsink, allowing for heat to be transferred from the heatsink to the air. Remember, cooling is simply the act of there being less heat. So you want to move all of those highly energized particles away from the computer and introduce less energized particles around. That actually is what cool air is, just a place with less energy. And this allows the computer to either maintain or cool down your computer and those components, which also, by the way, will eventually allow it to slow down the fans. So this allows your computer to spin the fans whenever your computer needs more cooling, and using a fan curve is actually less noisy overall in comparison to spinning your fans at high speed all the time, and it also requires less power. So yay for fan curves. Like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, go to twitch.tv/zaxis1981, where I play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thank you for watching, and good day.